What a place. If you're ever coming to Alaska, you gotta take a cruise and you gotta experience Hubbard Glacier.
Above the level of the sea, snow needs to be compressed.
Good afternoon. It is cruise number 7 here in Alaska. We're doing 7-day up, 7-day down between Vancouver and Seward. Today is Hubbard Glacier Day. If you can hear the voice beside me, there is a speaker. It goes completely around the whole outside of the ship. They're giving a narration. So every couple of cruises they change, but there is a narration explaining everything. A naturalist, and he explains everything that's going on with the glacier. Let's go see.
It's over 16 feet above the water.
So the naturalist explains the depth, the width, the height of the glacier, what type of ice, basically all the details of the surrounding area and the mountains. It's pretty awesome to be here.
So you can see the cabin very easily. The lack of rain is coming together.
Which is an area, part of which is in Pakistan.
Take a picture if you want. Let's take this one.
Pretty active zone. One of those is quite it's stable. We may be in a bit of a stable zone.
Fortunate to be able to present to you that this is Dr. Juneau, signing off for the day.
Yeah.
That's actually designated as working area.
So today, one of our Silver Sea sister ships is about to pass us to go up to the Hubbard Glacier. Say hello to the Silver Muse. This is about our 7th time here at the glacier, and this is the first time another ship's been in with us. And this will show you the perspective of the size of the glacier when there's a cruise ship sitting next to it. Alright guys, so I'm at the front of the ship. Something kind of exciting today. They've opened basically the very tip of the ship. If you watch the Titanic movie, it's where Jack and Rose were at the front of the ship. So basically it is normally closed off for security purposes, but they've opened it for the crew. We're at Hubbard Glacier here in Alaska. It's an amazing. So let me take you for a quick tour through the crew bar and show you Hubbard Glacier from the bow of the ship, where only crew can go on a special day. So first, let's go through the crew bar. I will give you a full tour of our mini crew bar another time. We got some DJ equipment here, got the speakers up there. There's a bar. This is awesome. Here we go.
Extremely intense stream.
So the higher management decided to get together, have a team chat the other day, and they made the decision that they would allow crew on the front of the ship, which never happens. Up there's the boss. Hello to the boss. The captain is up there, the cruise director's up there, and they gave permission for all of the crew, as you could see, to come out on the bow. So yes, I'm in uniform. We are on the bow of the ship. This is awesome. This doesn't happen every day. It is sunny, beautiful. What a place. If you're ever coming to Alaska, you got to take a cruise and you got to experience Hubbard Glacier.